What if I told you those little green sprigs in your kitchen could be worth more than a side hustle paycheck? That's right. Herbs are the ultimate small but mighty cash crops. Today we're covering the top 7 profitable herbs that sell fast, and I'm not just listing names. I'll give you the growing secrets, zones, planting times, sun needs, companions, health perks, and even which plants to avoid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grow, package, and profit from your herb patch. Welcome back to Greens to Gold, the channel where dirt meets dollars and gardens grow into side hustles. Yesterday, we talked about 500 a month backyard crops. Today, we zoom in on the all-stars, herbs. Herbs are small, high demand, and quick to sell. They're basically the Bitcoin of gardening, except you can actually smell and eat them. Let's dig in. First up, basil, the leafy green king of kitchens. Annual or perennial? Basil is an annual in most zones, but in tropical areas, zones 10 to 11, it can behave like a short-lived perennial. Best zones. Thrives in USDA zones 4 to 10. Best time to plant, after last frost, when soil warms to 60 Fahrenheit. Direct sow or not. Best started indoors and transplanted. Seeds are slow to germinate. Sun or shade. Full sun at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Pruning. Pinch tops regularly to prevent flowering. Keeps leaves tender and yields higher. Fertilizer. Light feeder, compost or balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Overwintering. Doesn't survive frost. Grow indoors in containers for winter harvest. Companion plants. Tomatoes, peppers, oregano. Avoid planting next to rue, sage, and cucumbers. Health benefit. Anti-inflammatory, rich in antioxidants, supports digestion, and may help regulate blood sugar. Profit tip. Fresh basil bunches sell 3 to 5. Basil starter kits, potted basil, plus recipe card are trendy upsells. Second, mint, the green monster that takes over if you're not careful. Annual or perennial? Perennial. Best zones, USDA zones, 3 to 11. Best time to plant. Spring after frost danger passes. Direct sow or not. Best propagated by cuttings or root division. Direct sow is slow. Sun, shade, full sun to part shade. Tolerates shade better than most herbs. Pruning. Cut stems to the ground before flowering for best flavor. Fertilizer. Minimal too much nitrogen makes it leggy. Overwintering. Hardy. Mulch in colder climates to protect roots. Companion plants. Cabbage, kale, tomatoes. Avoid planting next to parsley and chamomile, they compete. Health benefits. Aids digestion, freshens breath, relieves nausea, and is used in teas for relaxation. Profit tip. Bundle for cocktails and teas, or dry and package as mint tea. Value-added mint sugar scrubs and oils. Premium profits. Third, lavender, the Instagram influencer of herbs. Annual or perennial? Perennial. Best zones. USDA zones. 5 to 9. English lavender is most cold tolerant. Best time to plant. Spring after soil warms or early fall in mild climates. Direct sow or not. Start indoors. Direct sowing is unreliable. Sun, shade. Full sun prefers dry soil. Pruning. Light prune in spring. Heavy prune after bloom to prevent woody stems. Fertilizer. Minimal thrives on poor soils. Avoid high nitrogen. Overwintering. Mulch roots in colder zones. Protect from winter wetness. Companion plants. Rosemary, sage, echinacea. Avoid planting next to, mint to, aggressive, different needs. Health benefits. Stress relief, sleep aid, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Profit tip. Sell dried lavender bundles, oils, sachets, Small jar of oil, 15 to 20 retail. Fourth, rosemary, the queen of Sunday roasts, annual or perennial, perennial shrub. Best zones, USDA zones 7 to 10. In colder zones, grow in pots and bring indoors. Best time to plant, spring. Direct sow or not, no best from cuttings or nursery plants. Sunshade, full Sunday pruning, regular pruning to prevent legginess. Cut after bloom. Fertilizer, monthly feeding with balanced fertilizer in growing season. Overwintering, mulch roots in zone 7. Bring pots indoors in zone 6 and below. Companion plants, sage, thyme, carrots. Avoid planting next to basil, different water needs. Health benefits, boosts memory, circulation, digestion, antioxidant, and antimicrobial. Profit tip, potted rosemary plants sell at 15 to 20 each. Fresh sprigs retail, 2, 3 to 5. Fifth, thyme small but mighty, annual or perennial. Perennial, best zones, USDA zones. 5 to 9, best time to plant, spring after last frost. Direct sow or not, best transplanted, seeds are slow. Sun, shade, full sun, well-drained soil. Pruning, light prune after flowering to encourage bushiness. Fertilizer, rarely needed too much, weakens flavor. Overwintering, mulch to protect roots. Trim back dead growth in spring. Companion plants, cabbage, strawberries, eggplant. Avoid planting next to parsley, they compete. Health benefits, antimicrobial, supports immunity, rich in vitamin C. Profit tip, dry thyme jars are easy to package and ship. Seasoning blends higher profit margin. Sixth, chamomile, the bedtime tea superstar. Annual or perennial? German chamomile, annual, Roman chamomile, perennial ground cover. Best zones, German chamomile thrives in zones 2 to 9. Best time to plant, spring after frost. Direct sow or not? Yes, direct sow seeds in early spring. Sun, shade, full sun to partial shade. Pruning, deadhead flowers to extend bloom. Fertilizer, not heavy feeders, compost once a season is enough. Overwintering, Roman chamomile survives winter in mild zones. Mulch if cold. Companion plants, basil, onions, mint. Avoid planting next to potatoes. Health benefits, calming tea, reduces inflammation, aids sleep and digestion. Profit tip, dried chamomile flowers sell well. Tea blends plus honey sticks premium package. 7th, oregano, the pizza MVP. Annual or perennial. Perennial in zones 5 to 10. Best zones, thrives in Mediterranean-like climates. Best time to plant, spring after frost. Direct sow or not, best transplanted, seeds are slow. Sun, shade, full sun tolerates poor soil. Pruning, harvest regularly to encourage growth. Fertilizer, minimal too much fertilizer reduces flavor. Overwintering, mulch roots in colder zones. Companion plants, basil, peppers, beans. Avoid planting next to mint, competes aggressively. Health benefits, antioxidant rich, antimicrobial, supports immunity. Profit tip, dried oregano jars are steady sellers. Oregano oil bottles retail high due to health claims. And that's your top 7 profitable herbs with a full growing playbook. Whether you're flipping basil bunches, making lavender oils, or packaging chamomile tea, these herbs can turn a small garden into a steady stream of income. The trick? Know their needs, package them well, and market the health perks. If this video gave you some green gold ideas, drop a comment below with the herb you'd start selling first. And hit subscribe because tomorrow's video is Passive income plants grow once, harvest for years. That's right, crops that just keep coming back. Until then, keep planting, keep growing, and keep turning your greens into gold.